Metric class, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are starting Afghan Jihad and its effects of chapter number 1. In this topic, we will discuss about the Soviet attack on Afghanistan on 25th December 1979. That war lasted for about 10 years. It started from 25th December 1979 and it ended on 15 February 1989. Soviet troops attacked on Afghanistan because it wanted to extend its borders and it wanted to get an approach to the warm water seaports. We can understand this point from this map. Here is Russia and here this line is Afghanistan. Russia attacked on Afghanistan and after that there was a threat for Pakistan or Iran. Russia's next target could be Pakistan or Iran. After that it wanted to get an approach to warm water seaports, which are located on the coastal area of Pakistan and Iran. Through these warm water seaports, Russia was able to get an approach to whole world for tourism and trade. So, to understand this threat, Pakistan interfered in Afghanistan and it took a great decision to open its borders for Afghan refugees. Pakistan asked for help from the whole Muslim world. It called a conference in 1980 in Islamabad of the foreign ministers of the Muslim countries, where all the Muslim representatives they gave a hand to Pakistan and they said that they will help Pakistan to give assistance to the refugees. Pakistan did a great job. At first point, they stopped Russian aggression in Afghanistan. Pakistan sent its troops to fight with the Soviet forces. On the other hand, they helped the million of the Afghan refugees who came in Pakistan. That was the responsibility of Pakistan government to give them shelter, food, medicines and sources of living. During the first 2 years, only Pakistan was there to help these refugees. At this time, Afghan Mujahideen were fighting with the Soviet forces with their traditional weapons. When the Russian air raids they attacked on Mujahideen, they could not cope with it. So after that, the aid started to come from the whole world for these refugees. The UK, Germany and Japan, they helped Pakistan on the economic basis. America also started to send the aid after 2.5 years. China also helped these Mujahideen and it sent the Russian-built weapons. America provided Mujahideen with anti-aircraft Stinger missiles, which changed the whole situation in Afghan war. The Russian forces were fighting against the Afghan Mujahideen with the modern weaponry. Now, with the provision of all these modern weapons to Mujahideen, the whole situation of the war had changed. and there was no way with the Soviet government other than this to leave Afghanistan and to end this war. With the arrival of about 3.5 million refugees in Pakistan, it put the negative impact on Pakistan economy, especially the province of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. It suffered a lot because with the arrival of these refugees, the whole business came in the hands of Afghan refugees. Although the NGOs, they also gave help to Pakistan and provided job opportunities to many local people. But still, it suffered a lot. So many refugees are still here in Pakistan, especially in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. We can understand this point that refugees who came from Afghanistan, they settled in KP. That is the touching border of Afghanistan. About 62% refugees they settled in KP, in Balochistan 19%, Sindh 4%, and Punjab 11%. That's why it can be clear that more than 62% refugees they settled in KP and they created a lot of economic crisis for the local people. And that's all. Thank you.